Okay. In di Sekolah Maya, we go to the quiz last week, and then let's discuss for the answer today, and then why you choose the answer. Number 3, we go to number 3. Who wants to read? Siapa yang mau baca? Atau kita baca sama-sama ya? In 3, 2, 1. After a concert, the cleaning robot
picks up the trash that someone else
has left on the lawn. The cleaning robot, semuanya baca.
The cleaning robot moves to the closest piece of trash and picks it up.
It
Then
then
moves to the next closest piece of trash and picks it up. The robot continuously does this till all the pieces of trash are picked up. Question: which piece of trash will the robot pick up last?
So there are some keyword. Selalu ada kata kunci ya. Kalau ada teks seperti ini, Miss Debbie remind you, there is always the keyword ya. Ada kata kuncinya, misalnya ini, move, kalimat mungkin ya. Move to the closest piece, artinya apa ini? Bergerak ke mana? Siapa yang tahu nih closest?
Paling dekat.
Bergerak ke yang paling dekat, berarti robotnya itu move to the closest piece and pick it up. Ada kata pick it up, ini ambil. And then katanya ini yang kedua. Jadi tadi yang ke satu, dia bergerak ke yang paling dekat lalu ambil. Number 2 rule, aturan yang kedua adalah it then move, the robot move to the next. Apa katanya? Next close. Ya, ke sebelahnya yang terdekat. Itu kata kuncinya ada 2 ya. Kalimat kuncinya. Move to the closest piece. Yang kedua, then move to the next closest. Kemudian berikutnya juga mengambil ke sebelahnya yang terdekat. Jadi ya.
I think I know.
Ya, so from that rule, dari aturan itu, then you will find what is the last. Yang mana yang terakhir coba? Miss Debbie will give you annotate. Ya, annotate, kamu bisa tarik garis. Kau bisa tarik garis. Nanti yang mana yang sebentar Jenis. Ulangi. Biar gede gambarnya. Ulangi. Ya. You go. Start from the robot.
Udah.
Ya. Start. Ya, oke. Oke, so the last will be, ini yang blue siapa yang blue? Yang blue siapa tadi? Feli ya?
Bukan aku yang hijau.
Blue. I can't see the green one. Blue. Yang blue siapa?
Never mind.
Alvaro. Oh, Alvaro itu biru Alvaro, bukan hijau.
Aku yellow.
Ya, oke, yellow. Yellow, who's yellow? Noel.
Noel, yes.
Okay, that was correct, Noel. But why you just it's look like you miss some information and then got wrong answer, Noel, at that time last week.
I don't know, it just happened. I thought I had the right answer.
Well, and then why you didn't repeat at home? I said,
yeah, because I had
again.
Well, I got distracted basically.
Nah. Okay, so the last will be, jadi yang terakhir adalah apa?
The cup.
The cup, the blue cup ya.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, let me show you.
Oh, by the way, I forgot
Right?
that I didn't. You started too early while I was trying to look for the quiz, so I missed the number 1.
This is not number 1. This is number 3.
Yeah. Is it okay if you go back to number 1 because I was too late?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to discuss in random. Yeah, I'm not going to discuss for all. Yeah, because there's not
in clockwise. So all random.
Yeah. So here is the beaver samba. Let's read together in 3, 2, 1. Beaver samba.
Beaver samba is a famous dance in Beaverland.
The dance has 5
There
positions.
has
During each position,
You change
of one leg or one arm. I don't remember that. And the dance has only 5 positions. Does not remember correct
question.
What is the third position?
Third position. I give you the clue. Remember that this is the first position. And then what is the rule? You have to remember what is the rule. Change.
You can only move one leg or one arm.
This is the key sentence. Yeah, you only move or change one leg or one arm. Cannot be both. Ya, cannot be both. Nggak bisa dua-duanya kan? Only.
And it cannot be two things. So it cannot be two arms or two legs.
And then you cannot be both. Yeah, you have to take turn between one leg or one arm. So, for example, if this is number 1, what is number 2?
Oh. I would say it's the picture
This is number 2.
I think.
Janice, thank you. Oke, yang lain silahkan boleh annotate. Ada Devan, Kayla. Yuk, ada apa lagi ini? Aina, Joan. Can you annotate? Avel sudah beli mouse belum?
Ada sih.
Ya, dipakai supaya bisa ditunjuk-tunjuk ini ya.
I don't even know that this is definitely.
Yes, if you also if you also can annotate, yang bisa annotate kasih numbernya, ya. Give the number. Ryu, do it Ryu.
Aku sama
Ryu, you don't give the background. Don't give the background. Turn off the background, Ryu. I can't see you. Turn off the background.
Yes, I'm pink.
Okay, Miss Debbie wants to ask. Some of you say this is number 3. Iya ya, itu ya ada tulisannya itu number 3.
I think that's number 2.
I wrote number 2, Miss.
Oh, you wrote number 2? And who's yellow?
I think.
Okay. Siapa ini yang oret-oret ya? Siapa yang oret-oret ya?
The red one is mine. The red one is mine.
Some of okay, one of your friend also say this is number 2. Nadine say this is number 5, tapi ada yang merah bilang number 2.
I say the first one is number 1. The second one is the one at the plot 3, and then the third one.
Let's sit together. Miss Debbie clear ya? Miss Debbie clear ya?
Yeah, okay.
Here. If it is number 1, then number 2 will be raise one arm. Ya kan?
Yes.
Here.
And then number 3 is the next one.
And then number 3 is the next one. Why the next one? Why?
I don't know actually.
Yeah, after move one arm, and then what to do?
Move one leg.
Move one leg.
So that's the key. Move
and
one arm.
One.
One leg. One arm. One leg. So the dance ends with the jumping one.
Okay. Yeah, the last ya. Diulang ya. Everybody please quiet. This is the first and this is the second. You raise one arm, angkat satu tangan, kemudian angkat satu kaki, gantian lagi angkat satu tangan, and then angkat satu kaki lagi berarti jump dia. Ya, so both of the legs.
Debbie, can I go to toilet?
Sure. Everybody understand with this? Ya, terutama perhatikan yang tadi Miss Devi panggil namanya.
Yes, I understand a lot now.
Yeah, you have to make it more better, ya.
You have to use logic, real logic.
Yes, really. And this one also.
Oh, this one's simple. This one's really simple, actually.
The walnut animal. Let's read together. Gerald, read. Playing in the wood. He used nuts and sticks to create 4 nice animals. His sister managed to bend the animal around without removing any of sticks. Gerald was very upset because he really loved the figure of dog. Question. Which of the following figures can be bent back to make the figure of dog again? Guys, everyone, Miss Debbie wants you to read together so you can also learn the literasi. Jadi ini bukan cuma mengulang loh ya. Guys, dengarkan ya, Miss Debbie nggak lihat kamu camera on. So I trust you to read ya. Just read ya. Nanti kalau disuruh baca ya baca. So you also learn the English literature, right? Now, seperti sudah dijelaskan, as I said to you last week that Gerald creation animal was bouldering by his sister. Ya, his sister bend atau membengkokkan the animal, and then Gerald was upset, and Gerald wants the animal to be back again. Ya, and the creation from A, B, C, D, you need to choose which one that can be bent back to make the dog.
D.
Nah, yang mana ya?
D.
Okay. If it can be bent back to be dog, so where is the leg? Can you please show? Circle the leg, coba.
Okay, I want to do it. I'll do it.
Yeah,
Try it.
wait.
This
Okay, Noel.
This is the leg.
Okay,
and this is the
Nadine.
other leg.
Yeah.
This is the front
Okay,
leg. That
correct.
one is also-
Now Miss Debbie wants to ask
And that's the head.
what nut, yang mana, which nut can be, sebentar, stop dulu. Which nut can be bent back to be a head of the dog? Yang mana
Head of
kira-kira
the-
bisa jadi kepala ya?
Oh, this thing. This one.
Yeah, it can be like that. Yeah, okay Nadine, thank you. It also can be like in here ya. You just bend back. One to the lower, satu ke bawah, satu ke atas, itu sudah jadi kepala. Right? Tidak
Like
bisa
that, right?
Tidak bisa yang sini loh ya. Nggak bisa yang sini loh. Ya, to be head. Everybody understand?
What did you say?
You cannot choose the head from the left one that I circle it.
But that's a head.
It's only left, there are 3 nuts. But as we see in the creation, ya kan? The head should be belong to the part of the right side that has 4 nuts. Jadi pasti dari sebelah kanan yang ini. This one or this one. It can be bent back, raised up to be a head. Everybody understand? Yeah.
But this is 4 legs, so you have to bend the legs. So this part right here, you just
That's why I ask you to choose the right one, because one can be leg and then one can be head. You just raise up and then make lower.
Oh, I see.
One. Yeah.
Miss Debbie, I just realized the B1 can be a sea lion.
Oh, really?
I think.
Ah, sea lion.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, by the way,
How many? Sea lion. But the sea lion has a long tail like this, like a long.
yeah, that
long
is
body.
possible. You just have to bend this
Which
part
one?
here.
Oh, okay. So this gonna be the leg, yeah. The
Yeah.
in front.
Yeah, that's
And
the.
I
By the way,
Okay.
why is there?
You were right.
I
What is
think
the point?
this
By the way, Miss.
Mm-mm.
I
Nadine,
think
you can
A
speak first.
can be a starfish, maybe.
Starfish. Which one? That starfish. A.
This one.
You can annotate it. Oh yeah, I think so. Let's see. Let's count.
Here's
Let's count.
the thing. That has way more than
let's count.
starfish legs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think so. How about this one? See. How about this one? What
That
equation? What
that
equation?
could be made into a giraffe, I guess.
Giraffe. Where is the long body?
You just
Long
have to
body.
crank this up here.
Oh,
Okay.
I know.
This one, yeah.
No, not right.
For nut needs to be a body. Coba.
I know. This
Which one?
one, this bent one needs to be up there. And this one needs to be down there.
Okay, I think so. Yeah, correct. And then this gonna be the 3 in front leg, yeah. Hey, Noel, you scratch. Gonna be the 3 in front. Are you trying to create the animal?
I don't know.
Okay, Mr. Go to this one. Now, oh
no, I don't like
most
this
of
one.
you were incorrect. Most of you has incorrect answer. Let's read together in 3, 2, 1. Golfer
Beavers wants to walk his tee all four holes in order of the number. It holds 1, 2, 3. However, he wants to take the shortest route and avoid bushes, faster, and sand traps.
Question.
As we know,
As we know,
Gophers can only walk
along the
lines and how many steps he has
Okay.
to take.
Miss Debbie will make it bigger, yeah. Look at this. The rule. Now Miss Debbie wants to ask the rule. First rule, Bebras wants to walk in order. This is the first rule. Can you find another rule? Bisakah kamu mencari aturan lainnya ini?
Take
Here.
shortest route.
I know.
Yeah. Yes, Nadine, thank you. How about you guys?
Here.
The other.
I know. However,
And
he
avoid
wants to
bushes.
take
Yes, correct, Crystal.
the shortest
Yes.
route and
Correct
avoid
now.
the
This
sand
one.
traps.
Yes,
That's
yes.
number 3.
So this is
And
going to be
this
the
one.
third. Yeah, okay, Noel, thank you. So the first is in order. You need to take the flag in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the walk, yeah. Remember the Bebras are walking. Number 2 is you take the shortest. Yeah, this is correct. Number 3, you avoid buses. Ini loh, buses itu ini. Ini buses, ini water, and this is the sand trap. Yeah, I clear it again. Now, I'm going to ask you, oh yeah, remember that there is 100 steps for 1 square. For example, 1, and then it's mean 100. If you move 2, that's mean 200. Everybody understand from here?
Yes.
Jelas dari sini? Jelas? 1 step atau 1 square, 1 langkah.
So,
Ya, 1 langkah 100 ya. Ada tulisannya ya. Oke.
but it has to be.
Okay, now here you go. Here you go. You need to find the way. Show me the line. Show me the line.
1,200. Is that really? I don't think that
Take
could
the line.
be it.
Take the line with the bolt. Wait. You need to do like this. No, not like that. Not like that. Follow me. You need to do like this. Give the line. Yeah, like that. Not in the middle, but in the square, in the line. Ulang ya. Ulang.
Okay, hold up.
Okay. Is there any other way?
I don't know.
Miss Debbie, find the other way. Yeah, mine is different. Mine is different, but still the same numbers.
Show us.
Yeah, blue. Who's blue?
Me,
Me siapa?
Nadine.
Nadine. And then who's the yellow first before? Noel. Did you? Okay, that's yours ya. How about the other? Kok hanya 2 yang jawab?
Crystal was orange.
Andrew. Halo Andrew. Kiki, halo. Kiki, Andrew. Halo, ada orang nggak?
Mereka tidur.
Hello.
They were sleeping, you mean? Ryu?
If no one's talking and off cam, that means they're sleeping.
Yeah.
That's what my dad told me.
Uncam yuk.
Miss Debbie,
I can see you. Yes, pardon.
I'm gonna change the color. I saw different with the like blue color.
Ya.
Like that.
Oke.
I'm
Oke, yang lain
changing.
jawab silakan. Ada Cheryl, ada Felice, Grace, Bebe, Kayla. You can do, right? Kayla bisa kan? Can you scratch?
Nadine is green. Nadine's green.
Different color, but don't be too thick.
Red is us.
Pilih garisnya jangan terlalu tebal, ya. So you can share with your friends. Pilih garis jangan terlalu lebam. Oke. Silakan di annotate. Ya, ada Aina. Oke. Ya, Aina's way is the same with me. I have the way look like Devon, look like Aina's way also. Ya, itu way-nya Miss Debbie. Yang tadi Noel or Nadine ya, behind. But maybe Nadine, did you count for 12 steps the same as me? Kalau yang dari belakang gini tadi, apakah juga sama? Langkahnya jadi 12.
There's so many colors, I can't count.
Is it the same? If you choose behind, look.
2, 3.
Wait, I'm gonna remember it
6,
again.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it is 12
behind
steps.
like
It is
this.
12 steps. It
It
is.
is also the same, yeah? Okay.
Oh, it's just that you went this way.
Yeah, the blue one that I choose, yeah, the same as Noel, and the same as Nadine before, yeah. This is also the
So
same.
that is so that's still 12 steps, right?
Yeah, the same, yeah. Okay.
So the same. We also did the same. Just
If
is it
one step,
is which one is shorter though? That's my real question.
there is no more shortest way, except you need to take the 12 step, right? Or if you want to extend, actually you can extend right from here. Jadi dari sini sebenarnya kan bisa kalau mau lebih jauh kan bisa ke sini, ke sini, and then this way, and then this way you can move around, right?
But you don't want to hit the bush and sand traps.
Yeah, it doesn't close the bushes, right? Look, this is exactly on the line, or maybe this is cannot like this.
Yeah, you can't. Remember?
In my opinion, if you want to extend like this, it can. Ya. Ini kalau dari sini berarti kan extend berapa nih? 1, 2, 3. Berarti 1200 ditambah 3 step 300. It can be 1500, but that is not the shortest way, right? Kalau extend 3 step nih ya. 1, 2, 3 yang biru-biru ini. But you can't choose that, right? Is that clear for you? Ya? Ulang ya. Ini
Oh, no,
1,
I just glitched the screen.
2, 3, 4, dapat 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah, 12. It looks like a plus symbol though. It looks like a plus.
No, it's not a plus. Oh yeah, it's also look like the hospital.
So this is basically 12 times 100.
Yes, 12 times 100 because one
Yeah,
step.
that is right. 1,200. Correct.
1,200. Kok ada yang pilih 800 ya? Who's that? Is there any other way?
Wait, Miss Debbie, can
Yeah.
you go up? I need to see what number this is.
Okay, wait.
Ini soal nomor berapa? I mean,
Raise up.
I don't see it. Oh, okay, 6, basic.
You don't memorize the number. You memorize how you do it. Right?
Yes.
You don't memorize the number.
Correct. Wait,
You know that
I never.
You have to know that I can do it in random again. I can mix it again and then
Yeah, oh, come on. In number 14, at least I saw
Actually-
which number was it.
actually as long as you understand, you can redo again more better.
But what if the time runs out? Oh wait, we have 1 hour. Just kidding.
After, right? I'm gonna give you my time and then you can leave. Not leave the Zoom. I mean, you can leave my discussion and then go to the.
Question. Yeah. Nadine seems to be a little bit confused.
Now, okay, which one that you want to discuss with me? The hardest.
We already done that.
I'm going to choose
I already
the
done.
hardest
That
one.
one's easy. Yeah, this one. Oh, come on.
This one is
I know this one.
you know this one or you you
No, not
think
this
that-
one. The ice cream one.
the
I know the number 5. I don't know the number 5 actually. I forgot.
Here we go. If you want to ask the ice cream like this, chocolate with the strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate is on the top, then what would you say? Terus kamu harus bilang apa coba ke penjual?
So, here's, can I discuss my case?
Vanilla chocolate.
Okay, Nadine, did you choose D?
No, not that. It's not the D one.
Here, can I discuss my case? By the way, I swear I just saw someone else use
I
yellow.
want the chocolate is on the top. That is the picture. Tell us.
Alena is also yellow.
Okay, Devon, Cheryl, good job. Apalagi?
Yellow is
Siapa
also-
lagi? Siapa lagi?
Miss
Yes,
Debbie,
Devon.
can I tell you
Yeah,
something?
Nadine. Correct.
Miss Debbie,
Alina, yeah? Pardon?
hold up. Alena, can you use a different color because I'm? Oh wait, never mind. I'm using red now. So
Okay,
anyways,
you.
Here,
Yeah, satu lagi.
I thought because it's the top is chocolate, it's from the top to the bottom. So I thought it was this one.
Ya, oke. Friends, coba bantu jawab Noel. Bantu jawab Noel. Is it
Because it's
from the top to the bottom or from bottom to the top? Dari atas ke bawah apa bawah ke atas? Friends?
Bottom to the top. This
To the
one.
bottom to the top. Because you want the chocolate is on the top, right? Is that clear, Noel?
And also,
for you?
Miss, the
I
vanilla
get it
one
because
is supposed to
Yeah.
not look
I
like
guess in
vanilla.
real
The
life we
vanilla is
just put
supposed to
it
be
there
white.
and then there and then
Yeah.
there.
Oh, white.
So it's from
That's
bottom to
fine.
the top
Only
end
picture.
anyway. Unless
Vanilla
you're,
harusnya putih
unless
ya.
you're the ice cream that's getting
Yeah,
flung
okay,
inside.
done. We go to the other number that hard.
Oh wait, what number is this? What number is this? What number is
I'm
this? Oh yeah,
not
five,
gonna
five,
tell
five,
you the number.
5.
You don't memorize
Wait,
now.
not
This is
five.
also, guys,
No.
many of you that been
No.
confused with this.
No.
If you want to set the table
No,
like
okay.
this, then you need to put the tablecloth first. Ya, ini bagus ya. Tablecloth dulu kan taplak meja dulu. And then if you see the cup and saucer on the table, then it should go to number 2. And then after that the napkin, ini ya napkinnya ya. Kan kelihatan bahwa the saucer atau piring kecilnya ini ada di bawah napkin. Did you clear with that? Jelas nggak? Jelas tidak? Ya, ini tablecloth. Taplak meja dulu, and then you will see the cup and saucer on the top of the tablecloth.
It's obvious.
Ya, ulang
Can
ya.
we do the Miss Debbie? Can you do me a favor and go to number 14 because I'm confused with that.
I'm going to discuss this first because not only you, right? Tadi yang
Oh, yeah,
dipanggil
sure.
namanya siapa tadi? Yang dipanggil namanya, ya perhatikan baik-baik ya. That if you want to set up like this, ini kan kelihatan gambarnya bahwa ini tablecloth dulu, kemudian cup and saucer, kemudian napkinnya ini ada di atasnya cup and saucer. Jadi pertama berarti tablecloth, and then cup and saucer, kemudian ada napkin, ada serbet. Setelah serbet apa? After napkin. After napkin apa? Ada orang di dalamnya itu.
Plain.
Plate, ya ada plate, terus piring ya. Ada piring, and then the last one, the knife. Ya, the knife is on the top. Jadi pisaunya ini kan yang di paling atas, berarti paling belakang ditaruhnya. Yang paling terakhir ditaruh. Everybody understand from here? Up to here?
Understand?
Okay, now this one, snake samba. Sally the snake is coming up with a dance. Which come image next in the dance? Nah, coba ya. Debbie want to make it smaller. Here. If this is number 1 and what is number 2? He move, ya. It move the tail, bend it, bengkok. Jadi kalau ini straight, lurus, yang ini bengkok, bend, and then he's gonna lay down and then make straight again. Kemudian ini bengkok lagi, bend, and what come next?
Oh, I think I get this one. So like
Should be
move
straight
tail,
or
move
bend?
body, move tail, move body.
Coba dijawab semuanya, jawab. Yang kelima itu mestinya lurus atau bengkok ekornya?
Lurus.
Lurus, great. But there are two answer, ada C, ada D. So which one?
It's C.
Why
Because you see, he's already on his side, and
yes,
he already
already
did this
laying
move,
down.
right?
You don't
He
choose.
already did D moves, so you have to
Yes,
what?
correct. You know
So you
that.
have to do this one. So it's like.
Yes, Noel. Kamu cuma perlu teliti
So here,
saja.
I'll tell
Why
you.
begin to fail at that
Can I
time?
show what I mean? Can I show like what I mean? What I
Okay,
mean is
sekarang,
like.
is there any other hard one?
Hold up. Let me
Miss
see.
Debbie
Let me see.
We'll see the hard
Oh
one.
wait. This one is slow.
Heaviest
box.
One more, yeah. This is the last.
What about
Honomototo
the
Island
other?
consists of 5 islands. Ho, no, ma, ka, to. The biggest island is Ho. Every island should connect to Ho and then go to the mainland. And then it is asking for the more two bridge to build 2 more wooden bridge. Mau membangun jembatan lagi. So which do you think that can build the 2 more bridge and then all connect to the whole? Okay, Nadine said like that. Ada yang setuju atau tidak setuju?
I want.
Are
But
you
the
agree or
thing.
not?
Here's the thing. But
Ayo, yang
they're
lain.
all. But they're all already connected to whole.
Yeah, we need to make also the bridge balance. Kita harus lihat juga supaya dia mengapa dibangun lagi 2 jembatan? It's to make balance, right? Because this is in the water. To make balance, and then you take the shorter. Don't go like this, right? If you take like this, it also can all connect to whole. But from ma to to, it's too long. Then you need to choose this no and ma, not this one. Is that logic, do you think?
Here and there?
Yeah, is that logic, do you think? Why we don't choose this? Why? Kenapa kita nggak pilih yang B, yang begini? Why?
Because it's going to take too long. Way
going to take too long, and then also
because this is really far, right?
Yeah,
so not that one, but this one is really close. Especially really close to
people can think so. People can think that is two-way, that the way is too long from ma to to. So let's build the bridge from ma to what is this?
Ko. Ma to ko.
To ma to no.
Oh, ma to no. I thought that was called.
Don't read ma to to. It's take too long, right? You have to save energy and save money to go from one island to
you know what? Island. It's really a big coincidence. Right? You know, it's a really big coincidence that Seoul specifically has this little line.
Does everybody understand up to here?
To
okay, everybody understand up to here?
Hold up. What's the answer again? No to ma.
Okay, and now I'm going to see. Felicita, Avel, Joan, Grace, Noel. Now you go to Sekolah Maya and then Zoom-nya Miss Debbie di mute aja. Ulang ya. Felicita, Avel, Joan, Grace, Noel.
Tadi dengerin sambil ngerjain, Miss. Tadi dengerin sambil ngerjain.
Gak usah dengerin Miss Debbie, di mute dulu. Karena Miss Debbie akan masuk ke soal lainnya.
Miss, bukan ini tuh aku udah ngerjain yang lagi panggil itu nggak usah ngerjain lagi ya, Miss?
Ya, sure. I want to see your score.
Tapi kalau misalnya masih tetap remedi gimana?
Bukan remedi. Di bawah 70 remedi. You need to try to repeat it now. Sekarang di-repeat dulu.
Cek.
Ya, cek. Ya, cek. Makanya di-mute saja supaya nggak berisik. Everybody understand? Yang tadi dipanggil namanya, ya. Kalian dengar ya. Coba Miss Debbie dipin. Supaya nggak berisik, yang tadi Miss Debbie panggil namanya, you stay in the Zoom, tapi go to Sekolah Maya, dan Zoom-nya Miss Debbie di-mute. Supaya nggak berisik. Ya, oke. Yang lain, kita akan still in here. Miss Debbie akan in random ya.
Miss Debbie.
Ya, pardon. Siapa ini?
Joan.
Oke, Joan. Would you
But
need?
I have to repeat
last day.
Pardon? Have you repeat?
Udah repeat kemarin.
Coba bisa dilihat. Full name-nya apa full name-nya?
Joan Alicia Snage.
Sri J. Jenis. Joan baru 1 kali ini. Oh, Joan sudah dapat 87 kemarin. Oh iya betul. Kenapa kenapa cuma 1? Berarti kamu waktu itu tidak mengerjakan. Kamu minggu kemarin masuk tidak? Kok baru 1 kali ini? Do you want to repeat? You still have time for repeat. That's fine. Joan sudah passing grade, sudah cukup. But if you want to make it your score more higher, and then have A, kalau mau dapat A itu harus 90, ya. Joan nilainya di sini sebelum kemarin itu masih kosong. Berarti Joan itu minggu lalu tidak mengerjakan. Joan masuk nggak sih?
Yang hari Jumat minggu lalu.
Minggu lalu ya, yang Jumat yang lalu.
Itu kan masuk yang pakai paper. Terus yang
paper, ya? Itu yang pakai paper remedi semua ya?
Terus yang ini baru
berarti oh ya betul. Joan berarti remedi memang. Bukan remedi, mengulang, bukan remedi. Kalau remedi itu berarti yang sudah 2 kali. Oke. Joan, if you still have one more time. If you want to repeat, that's fine. If not, then you stay with me. Ya, gitu ya.
Enggak usah saya
Nomor 11 bingung nggak kita?
Apa-apa. Udah passing grade.
Nomor 11.
Oke, let's see.
lakukan, Miss.
Siapa? Afael?
Nomor 11. Tapi nggak tahu nanti ini beda yang di bawah.
Miss Debbie will only translate for you ya. Coba number 11. Nah, number 11, is there any friend that can explain how to do it? Ada yang bisa?
Berapa banyak?
Avel diam aja. Avel dengerin aja. Yang lain, Kayla, maybe Bebe, Nadine, Alena. Who wants to give the explain? Siapa yang mau jelaskan di sini? What we are looking for? Apa yang kita cari di sini ya, Alvaro? Coba.
We are looking for the ladybug that has most neighbors.
Correct. Jadi from A, B, C, D, which one that has atau surrounded atau dikelilingi by the most ladybug. You know that the neighbor atau tetangga kan bisa di depan, ya. Neighbor atau tetangga bisa depan, belakang, left, right, and also in the corner atau diagonal. Ini ada kata corner ya. Corner itu bisa diagonal. Sama ini. Ini corner. Corner atau diagonal. Have you ever learned diagonal? Kalian pernah nggak sih belajar ini ada bangun datar, and then ada sumbu simetri, there is a symmetry line, and there is a diagonal. Have you ever learned it? Pernah nggak belajar ini? Bangun datar. Guys. Halo.
I really want to answer, but I don't.
Grade.
For example,
Maybe.
square ya.
I don't remember that much. Maybe.
Oh, you don't remember? Coba yang kelas 4 ini semuanya. Have you ever learned the bangun datar atau?
Yes.
This is the symmetry line.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the symmetry line, and this is from corner to corner. Dari ujung ke ujung pinggir ini adalah diagonal. We say diagonal, corner atau corner ya. Corner atau diagonal. Have you ever heard that?
One question. Can I say a question here?
Who's this, Noel?
Yes.
Why you not just quiet? You are doing the quiz, right? Just stay quiet. Stay quiet until you finish. You don't need to go discuss with your friends now. Okay, now here we go. Miss Debbie wants to ask, what is the neighbor and how many ladybug that belong to A? Coba sekarang kalau yang A, tetangganya mana?
D atau A?
A. Miss Debbie tanya dulu satu persatu. Yang A ini coba please circle. Circle atau take line. Yuk, everybody. Selain yang ulang tadi, yuk. Di sini ada Cheryl ya, Cheryl. Rio.
Ya, Miss.
Ya, coba. Yang A ini punya tetangga ketiknya berapa? Kayla juga belum jawab, Kayla.
Done. I finished.
Kayla B,
87.
Kayla B. How many ladybug that belong to B as the neighbor? Ayo tadi Rio A, Rio.
B.
I ask for A. Ayo Miss Debbie tanya A dulu, berapa tetangganya?
3.
Which one? Can you circle it atau can you take the line?
No, I cannot annotate.
Who's speaking?
Aina.
Ini siapa?
Aina.
Ini Aina. 1. Agree with me?
Yes.
2. Agree?
Yes.
3. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Thank you. Now Kayla yang B. Tetangganya ada berapa?
4.
Okay, can you take the line or Kayla bisa scratch on the screen? Kayla bisa scratch nggak?
No.
You can?
Yeah, I can't.
Okay. Just say agree or not. Yeah. This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Don't forget the
This one.
A and the C.
Oke, 4. Tadi A itu dapatnya 3 ya. Now C. Miss Debbie wants to ask Christo. C. How many ladybug neighbors? C.
Miss, ada kuis, Po.
Siapa ini? Sean dari tadi ngapain aja? Sean mendengarkan Miss Debbie tidak? Did you listen to me in the Zoom?
No, my color for yang tugas itu tematik.
Tematik? How come tematik? This is math science.
Tematik nanti.
Nah, Sean, you not focus, Sean. Oke, Miss Debbie tadi suruh siapa ya? Christo, Christo.
Apa?
Cheryl cannot annotate, she said. By the way, I'm done with my
I was
quiz.
calling
got
Cheryl.
87.
Cheryl, where are you? I was calling Cheryl. Cheryl, you were late, right? Why you didn't tell me? Kalau terlambat, bilang ya. Christo, gimana Christo? Yang C?
8.
8 neighbor. Ada 8 tetangganya. The ladybug, do you mean? Has
Oh,
8?
Cheryl's mic isn't working, Miss Debbie.
Christo, can you take the line? Scratch on my screen. Can you, Christo?
Iya.
Ya, coba try. Which is the ladybug? Yang mana yang dari C ini dekat dengan ladybug-nya? Yang mana? Circle. Padan? Nggak kedengeran?
I can't annotate.
Oh, you can annotate. Here we go. Christo, yang C ini tetangganya di sini diagonal, and then on the right, and then on the left. Jadi C ini cuma punya 3. Do you understand?
Okay.
Oke. How about the other? Siapa yang masih bingung yang ini? Cheryl. Alvaro, Felis maybe, or Felis sedang itu ya. Feli, Kiki,
No, yes.
understand?
Understand.
Oke, siapa yang ngomong understand ini?
Me.
Mi siapa?
Kelly.
Oke, Feli, I want you to go to D and then count for the ladybug. Coba kalau yang D, tetangganya ladybug ada berapa?
Tetangganya maksudnya tuh yang paling deket toh, Miss?
Sure. Itu tadi yang Miss Debbie bilang depan, belakang, kiri, kanan, atau diagonal. Yang D jadinya punya berapa?
Yang paling deket is...
Can you annotate?
Sure. Aku pindah ke HP, Miss.
No need. Just take 10 minutes and then finish. Just say, is it to the right, to the left, atau up, down gitu. Bilang aja, nanti Miss Dewi bantu.
Oke. Wait, maksudnya up down tuh apa?
Up itu ke atas, down itu ke bawah, left itu ke kiri, right itu ke kanan. Kalau ini namanya diagonal.
I think C has the most ladybugs.
D. C kan udah tadi, Kristo.
Go to the right.
Go to the right, like this.
Yes.
Okay, and then?
Then go up.
Up like this. So how many neighbor of D?
2.
Tetangganya 2. Oke, 2. Jadi D itu punya tetangga 2. So which one is the most? Yang mana yang paling banyak katanya jadinya?
Paling banyak.
Everyone can answer. Yuk, dibantu yuk. Yang paling banyak yang mana?
B.
Because it has diagonal on the right, diagonal in the corner, and then on the diagonal again. 4. Jadi kamu pilih yang ini. Ya, no need to confuse anymore. Ya kan? Enggak bingung lagi nanti. Ya. Oke, left for waduh tinggal 2 menit ya. Miss Debbie want to tell you that I already put in the Sekolah Maya your book in electronic book ya as the PDF. Ini ya, dibaca dulu boleh, di print dulu boleh. We discuss it again next week. Is that clear everybody? Tapi no need to submit anything. Ini ada worksheet, nggak usah dikerjakan. Ya, no need to submit anything. Miss Debbie akan tulis di sini. Students, there is no assignment to submit gitu ya. There is, ada assignment nggak jadinya?
No.
No. So our class is over now. There's some to submit for today. Thank you everyone for joining. See you guys. Miss Debbie need to leave. Yeah. Okay, there is no assignment to submit for today. We discuss it again next week. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye.